Hello students, good morning. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay. So tell me what are you doing? Today is Nag Panchami, right? Happy Nag Panchami to all of you. So what dishes your mummy have made in your home today for everyone? Tell me. Puran pori. Oh wow, very good. Okay. So today I am going to teach you on a picture word topic, okay? On a picnic, which is on your page number 18. Okay. So tell me students, on picnic, okay, when you go to picnic, one day trip, one day picnic, what all things you take with you? What does your mummy take? The things your papa takes. आप जब पिकनिक को जाते हो, एक दिन की पिकनिक को, तो आपके साथ आपकी मम्मी या आपके पापा क्या क्या लेके जाते हैं पिकनिक को? आप बताओ, सोच के बताओ. Think and tell me. Okay, first we take mat. Second, we take with us food. Water bottle, okay, and many other things. Okay, so today some things I'm going to show you which we take to picnic along with us. So let's start. First is lunch box, tiffin. With us we take food, okay, so it might be breakfast or it might be lunch. Yes, so we take along with us lunch box and we take in that variety of food. Yes, so repeat with me, lunch box. LUNCHBOX, lunch box. Okay, band-aid. Okay, we take with us band-aid because when we fall by chance, sometimes if we fall and if we get hurt, we need to take first aid for it. Correct? We need to take care of our health. So when we get hurt, so we put this band-aid. Okay, band-aid, BANDAID, band-aid. Next, bat and ball, to play there in the picnic, to enjoy the day. We take some toys with us, correct? So that toys, one comes bat, ball. Yes. Skipping rope. Do you know to play skipping rope? Yes? Okay. Skipping rope is a very good game. Good sports we can say. Okay? You should play skipping with skipping rope every day. Right? Repeat with me, skipping rope. SKIPPINGROPE, skipping rope. Camera. Yes, to make the picnic a memory, we take camera along with us to remove some pictures. Yes, हमारा उस दिन को यादगार बनाने के लिए, मेमोरी बनाने के लिए हम कैमरा को लेके जाते हैं, क्योंकि फ़ोटो निकालने के लिए. तो हम जब भी अगर कभी वो फ़ोटो देखें तो हमें वो दिन याद आए, यादगार. करेक्ट? कैमरा, CAMERA, कैमरा. Ferris or flying disc. Ferris we say this Ferris this is also one type of game, okay? In simple words, we tell it also flying disc. Repeat with me Ferris FRISBEE, correct? And flying disc FLYING, flying disc, DISK, disc. It looks like a dish, okay, and it is very, what we can say, it does not have any weight. When we throw like this, it flies in the air, correct? So this we say flying disc also, correct? Shuttlecock and racket. Tell me students, for this game what we say? Badminton, okay? This game's name is badminton, but the things which you are seeing in the picture is shuttlecock. Shuttlecock is this white one, and racket is this big one, okay? So repeat with me shuttlecock, SHUTTLE, shuttlecock, COCK, and racket, RACKET. Yes, shuttlecock and racket. Picnic mat. Yes, to sit over there, we take along with us mat also, so that we can sit there comfortably. Yes, picnic mat. PICNIC, picnic mat. MAT, mat. Okay? Next, music player. Music player. To hear music over there, to make the environment entertainment, we take along with us portable music player. We charge it at home and we take along with us, so that we can enjoy with the music. So music player, repeat with me MUSIC, music player, 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 music player, okay? Napkins, okay? When we eat, to clean it, to clean our mouth, to clean anything, we take along with us napkins, right? So repeat with me napkins, NAPKINS, napkins. Or we take along with us tissue papers also, okay? Use and throw. Napkins are washable and tissue papers are used and throw, correct? Picnic basket. Along with us we take variety of food, water, juice, fruits. So to keep it in one place, we take along with us picnic basket, okay? So in one basket only all the things we will get. Yes, picnic basket, PICNIC, picnic basket, 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 okay? Flask. With us we take with us milk, coffee, tea, yes, or hot water. So to keep those things hot, we take with us flask. Flask is a container, okay, where it keeps the liquid thing hot, okay? Flask. In the last lecture also we have studied related to flask. Do you remember in the kitchen topic? Okay. So flask, FLASK, flask. Cycle, to enjoy there in the picnic along with us we take cycle also. Yes, do you have a cycle? Yes, okay, so repeat with me, cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Okay. Board games, chess. Okay, we take ludo, we take some cards, we take some blocks. When we go to picnic, even these indoor games we take along with us to enjoy the day, correct? Along with outdoor games, we even play indoor games in the picnic. Indoor games are those games which we play in home. इंडोर गेम्स वो गेम्स है जो हम घर पे खेलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इसमें देख सकते हो चेस, लूडो, पत्ते, करेक्ट. एंड आउटडोर गेम्स वो होते हैं जो हम बाहर खेलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम साइकिल, बैडमिंटन, बैट बॉल, फुटबॉल, ये सब बाहर खेलते हैं, तो ये आउटडोर गेम्स हुए. सो रिपीट विथ मी, बोर्ड गेम्स, BOARD, बोर्ड, games, 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 board games. Finally, fruits and snacks. लंच के साथ हम फ्रूट्स और स्नैक्स को भी लेके जाते हैं. स्नैक्स में हम लेके जाते हैं चिप्स, केक, बिस्किट्स और बहुत कुछ. Along with the lunch, we even take with us fruits and snacks. In snacks, for example, cake, biscuits, chips and many more. And fruits also we take along with us. Okay, so repeat with me, fruits and snacks. FRUITS, fruits, and snacks, SNACKS, snacks. Okay, so students, this was about the picnic. Okay, what all things we take along with us, we have studied that today. So do not forget to comment your name in the comment box. And students, please take care of your health, please take care of your family, and do your homework daily.